Hello all, welcome back to AutoAspects. As we know, few months back, LML said it is all set to make a comeback into the Indian two-wheeler market through their electric scooters. Now, LML has kept its promise, as the company is back again with an official announcement. On Thursday, the 20th of January 2022, LML announced it has entered into a strategic partnership with Saera Electric Auto and will actively use its facility in Haryana to manufacture the company's upcoming electric scooters. Saera Electric Auto, the former manufacturer of Harley-Davidson in India, has a manufacturing plant spread over 2.15 lakh square feet and has capacity to produce 18,000 units per month. So, based on the strategic partnership, LML will be using this facility at Bawal, Haryana, to produce its battery-powered two-wheelers. The Kanpur-based two-wheeler firm LML wants its products to be completely made in India by 2025 and build an infrastructure that is capable to address the rapidly growing demand of electric vehicles across the globe. Yogesh Bhatia, CEO of LML Electric, said that they are confident and this partnership with Saera Electric Auto firm will be a stepping stone in their vision to redefine and reimagine the future of EV manufacturing in the country at par with global standards. Lohia Machinery Limited, popularly known as LML, wants to project itself as a brand that will produce empowered vehicles, as back in the 80s and early 90s, LML scooters were a common sight in Indian roads, and the former had major collaboration with Italian automaker Piaggio to sell the LML Vespa scooters in the country. Now, the company has re-entered in the name of LML Electric to mark its presence and carry its reputation and legacy of quality build, long-serving scooters in the Indian EV space. Hope the content was informational. Thanks for watching.